Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ultimate all-day clean with me. I just got back from Virginia and it seems like our house just exploded the moment that Emerson and I walked in the door because of all our stuff, our luggage, her toys. Also, Andrew had been home very sick while we were gone, and so the kitchen is a little bit of a disaster. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I clean all of this up, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I have not had this much laundry to do in a very long time because I usually stay on top of my laundry. I recently did my laundry routine, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, I will leave it linked down below, also in the cards up above. Go check that out, but usually my laundry situation does not look this bad. But today, because we'd been on vacation, it's pretty bad. I'm going to be using my beloved Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products in today's video. I get all of my products from Grove Collaborative. They send products to your door. They have all kinds of good for you, non-toxic products. So if you spend $20 with Grove Collaborative, you can get this free set of Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion, hand soap, and dish soap, and also this replaceable head dish brush for free. And if you are an existing customer, you can get the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. I love these sponges. So go ahead, click the link that's down below in the description box to claim your free Mrs. Meyer's gift set, and use the same link to get these scrubber brushes if you're an existing customer. So to wash the dishes, I'm using that replaceable head dish brush that I got free with my free Mrs. Meyer's gift set from Grove Collaborative, and I'm also going to be using the dish soap by Mrs. Meyer's. This dish soap does a really good job of cutting the grease. I have tried so many different brands of dish soap, and this one is a really good one. It's tried and true, and it smells really good. And then I'm switching out my dish soap and my hand lotion and putting the Mrs. Meyer's in the lavender scent by my kitchen sink.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now I'm moving on to unpacking the clean laundry and things that I had from my trip to Virginia. I'm going to start in my room and just unpack everything and put everything away that's clean. I have found that if I don't do this right away, like the next day after I get home, I will let it sit on the floor in the bag forever. So I try to stay on top of unpacking as soon as I get home.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now I'm moving into Emerson's room. There's always toys everywhere. She leaves a little trail wherever she goes. So I'm gonna clean up her room of toys first, and then I'm gonna unpack her bag and put them away. My grandma is a saint and always washes Emerson's clothes for me before I come home. So the majority of her clothes were already cleaned and I didn't have to do anything but put them away.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire, no more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual, don't you wanna feel right?
This is a random little task that I'm doing, but our bathtub really needed to be scrubbed out. Andrew and I had been using this to shower in the last week, and also this is the tub that Emerson takes a bath in, so it was in desperate need of scrubbing for the poor little baby, so she didn't have to take a bath in a dirty tub anymore. Then to disinfect the bathtub, I'm using my Thieves household cleaner. This cleaner has essential oils in it, and the essential oils are great for disinfecting, and they are also non-toxic. Next, I am unpacking my toiletries. I'm just taking everything out of the cases. I got these cases from TJ Maxx, and I find them to be super handy and helpful in keeping my toiletries organized, and it makes putting them away pretty easy as well. I have been doing laundry all day. I just thought I would spare you the repetitiveness of it, but as you guys saw, I had so much laundry to do. So I'll show you me doing this load, but I will spare you, like I said, the repetitiveness. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it enjoyable, motivating, helpful, any and all of the above. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos and supporting me. Our channel is growing and I cannot thank you guys enough. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and to show me that you liked it. And don't forget to claim your free Mrs. Meyer's gift set and that scrubber brush by clicking the link down below. And if you are an existing member, then you can still get a walnut scrubber sponge. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.